Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Instagram tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to reorder your Instagram grid post for a perfect grid post on your Instagram profile. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Instagram app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on edit profile. Then scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on reorder grid. Then here you go. So you can rearrange and reposition your post. Like for instance, this particular post right here, I can drag it right here. I can drag this to the top right here, just like so. Then I can come down below right here. I drag this to this spot right here. Just click and hold down and drag. Then I'm going to click and hold down and drag this. Once you're satisfied, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. Then go back to your profile, just like so. Then you have all your posts being rearranged right here. It's that simple. More useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how best to use your Instagram, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.